Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com, and today I have a monthly wrap-up for you. Essentially this is a project share where I show you all the layouts that I created and all the other projects I created during the month of January. So this was a pretty good month for creation. As you can see, I have this fat stack of cards, layouts, and an album. In total I made 15 layouts, all 12 by 12 this time, 10 cards, and a whole mini album. So I'll start with cards since they're a smaller item. I made 2 of these Wild Whisper cards. There's a video on these on my channel. And there's the little inside embossing. Really fun. Definitely check that one out. And then I have these cards. These will be up in a video as well. I have this mermaid card. She's already on the blog. All the notes about what I used on the card inside. That's what all these sticky notes are. There's this Over the Moon one. I really love how this one came out. I think I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do a Zig clean color galaxy background, because this definitely came out super cool. So if you guys want to see that, I might do that in my live stream this month, only because it'd be super fun. But we'll see. And then I added a bunch of tiny stars. I haven't shared this one yet, but it's like one of my favorites. So cool. I made another one of those tool shaker cards, so you can see the tool in there. This one's going to be on the blog soon. Nothing on the inside, but a lot of sequins. Very pretty. This one's on the blog, another mermaid. These are all MFT cards. I got a bunch of MFT stamps. This one's another Valentine's Day one. A birthday one for a very special friend. MFT again. This one's also on the blog. Really cute. Love this little bear set. And then this is the first card that I made this year. Very simple, but I used my Zig Clean color markers to get the dimension in the flowers. So this was my first go at those, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. But I've definitely improved from the first cards to this one as my second one. Really, really fun time using those. So most of those are on the blog. If not, they have a video here. But I will be sharing them on the blog throughout the month of February for Valentine's Day. So stay tuned for those. I'll show you guys the mini album next. Since this video that you're currently watching will be up before the mini album series will be up, I have a whole playlist dedicated to this mini album and all the processes that went into it. So I'll just do a quick flip through. I'll answer almost all the questions that you might have about this album in that video series, so definitely check that out. In the middle of February is when it will be going up. So this is my graduation album. And there'll be blog posts on all of this as well in case you have extra questions. But it's just a tiny little mini album. Really happy with how it turned out. So this was a really big project to work on this month. And I didn't expect to do this project. I didn't have plans to make this, but it just ended up happening. So that's what I made. And now for the big count of 15 layouts. There is this double page set, the first one in my series Double Take. So I have a process video on this already up on my channel. This one will be up on my channel very soon. This is for the Color Theory series. This is orange. Another graduation photo. I have too many of those. But I really love how this orange one came out. One of my faves. This was a Wild Whisper project that I did. Love this dark background paper. So many cute colors on it. Really simple, but really cute still. Then we have this one, which is from a sketch challenge that I did in part of a Facebook group. So there's a process video already for this one as well. I'll try to link all the process videos I mentioned down below, but if I forget, you can search usually the title of the layout on my channel and you'll be able to find it. Really cute one. Put these over here. This one's already on my channel as well. One of the pastel layouts I created. This one's not on my channel yet. This is also for the Color Theory series. This is blue, but this one's not even edited yet, but it is filmed, so you'll be able to see this one. Let's see, maybe in February. I'm not sure. We do one every week, so we'll see what color we end up on. This was for my Stretch Your Stash series. I used a bunch of wood veneer to create this centerpiece down here. Really like how this layout came out. Unexpectedly well. This one was just a plain layout that I made and wanted to share. I really liked using dark patterns this month. I'm going to film a January favorites video so you guys can know what I really love to use this month. This was for a collab with Marlos. We used 3 stencils on a layout. This one's already up as well. This was the layout that I made during my live stream in January. I do have 2 live streams scheduled for February. If you'd like to get more information on those, head over to my Facebook page. It's just @GrayFlorals, and you'll be able to look at the events and tell me you're going, and then talk about what you want to see. This one's also on my channel already. This is for the Color Theories series number Color Red, so this is the first one. This series is a collab with Cynthia over at NB Pretty Papers this time, so really excited to be working with her and making some colorful layouts. Another double page spread that is yet to be up. I really love how this one turned out. Really, really pretty papers and color scheme and pictures. This one will be up in the month of February, so get excited for another double take layout coming soon. And then lastly, I have my Color Theories yellow layout, which will also be up shortly this month. It looks very neon on camera, but it's more of a lemony yellow, I'd say. Let's see if we... Nope, it still looks very... I guess it is that bright in person. It just doesn't seem that way. So that was my layout share. I didn't want to make it too long. I know some of you just like to watch layout shares, so I figured this would be the best way to do it. If you'd like information on a specific layout, again, I'll try to have them linked down below with their process video as well as their blog post, but if you do have a specific question, you can just ask it in the comments and I'll be happy to answer it. I'm not sure if you guys do goal setting for how many layouts you create in a year or per month, but my goal is 50, I think it's 50 layouts for the year, and 15 is a very good start. So if I do 10 a month, that'll definitely exceed it. And then this little mini album was a little extra project that I decided to work on, and it's finished, so I didn't waste any time on that. I definitely wanted to get it done and finished if I started it. So do you guys still do chipboard mini albums? I know I asked that in the videos that I made for this album, but I wanted to ask you guys here too, just in case you don't get a chance to watch that. But that is it for my layout share and my project share. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know what you were the most happy with what you made this month. So I was very happy that I made this album this month. But let me know if you have a favorite layout that you made or you organized photos. Just let me know what you did in the month of January. But I hope you guys have a wonderful February, very crafty one, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!